Hello fellow airplane collectors, welcome back to another video. It's your host Ray. Today I've got the United Airlines Boeing 787-10 in 1 to 400 scale made by Gemini jets. I am super glad I got this model. I went to Grayland Station in Chicago and miraculously they had it in stock. I originally asked to get this model for Christmas, but instead I got a United Airlines 747. But yeah, they had this one in there and I was like, you know what, screw it, I'll buy it. And yeah, I'm just going to say I did not regret my decision. This is a really good model, and I'll go in an in-depth review about it later in the video, so keep watching. There's a lot to cover, so I'll get right into it. First I'll go over the box art, then I'll go over the model. So this is my first wide-body box, or no, second one, and I gotta say it's huge! It's a lot bigger compared to other boxes, so just be ready for that. You got your computer-generated image, Boeing 787-10 logos, and a huge United title. Yeah, looks good. Here's the bottom. Here's the right side. The top. Left side. And of course the back. Back of the box looks like your basic Gemini Jets box. Nothing too special. And alright, I'm going to try and show you this little flap here. Now, I'm not going to wait for you to read this, so if you want to pause the video and read it, feel free to do that. But if it's too small for you to read, screenshot it with your device and then zoom in on it from there. Then it should be easier to read. But yeah, let's get into the model itself. And I gotta say, this model is impressive. Recently, Gemini Jets, their models have gone down in quality, but honestly, I gotta say, this one is impressive. Really good model overall. I don't notice any errors with it. Okay, how am I supposed to get the model out of here? Give me a sec, guys. This is going to take a while. I've already opened this model a few times, but I still cannot stop getting impressed. Alright, now let's let me clear the box stuff. And ladies and gentlemen, here's the model. I'll do a quick 360, then I'll go into an in-depth review. If I go too quickly, feel free to pause the video and take a longer look if you need to. Alright, so I'm done with 360. Now I'm going to go over the individual details. Starting up at the front of the aircraft, you got your cockpit windows. They're a sort of really dark red color, which it's cool. It looks kind of strange, but it's still really cool instead of the normal gray that Gemini Jets usually does. And your L1 door, your Star Alliance logo, and your connecting the world, uniting people. I think I said that backwards, but I don't care too much. And of course, your very, very large United title. Color looks good. Size looks proportional. Looks good overall. A few other details here and there. Those almost look like stains from looking with the naked eye, but those are actually little details. Yeah, then you've got your L2 door, more windows, no overwing exits, and I'll try my best to show the wing, but just keep in mind this is a huge airplane, so I might not be able to do that. Alright, here it is. Also, I'm going to be very, I guess, shaky because the model is insanely heavy, I'll say that. It's really heavy for being a smaller model airplane, even though it's not that small either. But yeah, the details are very well molded into the wing, and I like how the wing is a very white color instead of normally gray. It's kind of weird, I'm not used to it, but it still looks really good with the color scheme of the airplane, so that's really nice. Those of you who are peculiar and curious about the engine, like picky about the details like I am, trust me, you will not be disappointed. This is the inside of the engine, and okay, don't do this, people, because you might break your model, but okay. Fan blades are unfortunately stuck. They don't spin. Which, honestly, it's not that big of a problem because these are meant to be like display models, but yeah, it would be cool if they did spin. Yeah, here's the side of the engine. Looks really good. Gotta say this. I know I'm going to say it really good a lot because I'm still very impressed. Here's the rear of the airplane. And, of course, the tail. The tail is easily one of the best tails I've seen in a while on a model airplane. Okay, sorry, I'm going to I'm gonna adjust my phone real quick so you guys can get a better look at things. But yeah, here's the tail. Everything looks painted perfectly. I don't notice any errors. Hold on a minute. Is that a quick second? I was looking at this little thing sticking out from behind this little wing here, and oh my god, they even managed to get that as a detail. Holy cow! It's on the other side too. Also, here's the APU. Nothing too special. Just a cone. And yeah, they have the little detail. That's what I was talking about. The little lump on the other side too. That's impressive. All right, so here's the other side of the airplane. Basically the same as the left side. Also, I forgot to show you the front of the wing. Front of the wing looks good, and the top here. Some of you guys are picky about the wingtips. The wingtips are absolutely amazing. And don't even get me started on the wing flex. The wing flex is perfect. At this rate, it seems like I'm being paid by Gemini Jets to tell you all of this. But no, this is genuinely honest. This is an amazing model. I know that another model, the same type of airplane, the 787-10 and the new livery was released by NG model. Honestly, I'd go for the Gemini Jets one a bit more because it's really good. Anyway, moving on to the top of the aircraft, you've got 3 antennas and a Wi-Fi box. This is the first antenna in the Wi-Fi box, and here is the third and fourth ones. Those look pretty good. Here's the top of the airplane. I would hold it in a way that my thumb isn't in the way, like this right here, but unfortunately I'm unable to, and there's not much detail that's in there that you're missing. So this is the top of the airplane, and here's the bottom of the airplane. Bottom is gray, and the gray looks perfect, honestly. Looks good. Get into some details. Oh, I forgot to go over the landing gear. Landing gear is good. Wheels roll. They don't pitch upwards or downwards. Like, they don't tilt like they would on a landing approach or something like that. And the front wheel is also very good. This one's stiff, doesn't roll, but it's not too big of a deal. One thing I'd like to point out, I'm not sure if this is an error, but this little line right here, if you will, it's kind of weird how that's there, but it's on the bottom of the airplane, and it's not the worst thing if it is an error. So yeah, and of course you got your Gemini Jets logo and your Ram air turbine. Yeah, here's the bottom of the engine. Decent bit of quality there. So yeah, that's basically it for the review. I know that was kind of short for such a big airplane. But yeah, I'll give you my personal... Okay, sorry for all the shaking. I'll give you my personal opinion. Overall, it's an amazing model. If you want to get it because it's going to go out, it's going to sell pretty quickly. So get it as soon as you can before the prices skyrocket. If you're considering getting the model from a different manufacturer like NG model, you can try and get it if you want. It's just going to be a lot more expensive because this is a more recent release. So yeah. But yeah, that's it for the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try and answer to the best of my abilities. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Not many people do that. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I've got some more airplane content coming, so stay tuned for that. See you later.